Hi, and welcome to the first episode of Experts and Experiences. I'm Tiffany Liu, Internal Vice President of Blockchain at Berkeley.
And I'm Brent Friedman, Head of Education of Blockchain at Berkeley.
Today marks the beginning of an exciting journey as we delve into the world of innovation and entrepreneurship within the Web3 industry.
We're thrilled to be your hosts as we sit down with the brilliant minds behind the startups of the Berkeley Blockchain Xcelerator.
For those who might not be familiar, Blockchain at Berkeley isn't just a student organization. It's a driving force in the blockchain industry, fostering practical education, conducting research, and providing consulting services to enterprise companies.
Externally, the Berkeley Blockchain Xcelerator has been leading the charge as the #1 university blockchain startup accelerator in the United States since January 2019.
And today, as we begin our podcast journey, we're delving into the stories, the essence, and future insights of the startups within the 7th cohort of the Berkeley Blockchain Xcelerator.
We're kicking things off by chatting with the co-founders of AutoAPE.AI, Harry and Chloe. Hi, Harry and Chloe. How are you both doing today?
Hi, Tiff, friend. We're doing fine.
To get us started, could you please introduce yourselves? Where are you from? What have you worked on? And what are you doing today?
Okay.
Let's let
all
her
right,
start.
ladies first. Yeah, ladies first. My bad.
Okay, cool. I'm Chloe. I'm a co-founder of the AutoAPE.AI, and I'm more on a product side and also for the fundraising and then like outreaching resource in our teams. And then yes, we're building the fantastic products we call the AutoAPE.AI. And then I would just let Harry to do so.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Harry, the tech lead of AutoAPE.AI, and I hail from a strong technical background with extensive experience in blockchain technologies and AI systems. And previously, I have contributed to several high-profile projects focusing on decentralized solutions and machine learning applications, which paved the way for my current venture. So for what we're doing right now, today we're deeply engaged in developing AutoAPE.AI, aiming to make DeFi accessible, secure, and profitable for users of all levels through AI integration. Our project is driven by the shared vision of democratizing finance and leveraging cutting-edge technology to provide real values to our users. So together, we're committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the DeFi ecosystem and ensure our platform is not only innovative, but also adheres to the highest standards of security and user experiences.
Very cool. So how did the idea originate? I guess, how did you two come together to collaborate on developing this product?
Yeah, Chloe and I, we have worked on several projects together, frequently discussed these challenges and recognize a mutual desire to make DeFi more approachable. And we both brought different yet complementary skills to the table. So my technical expertise and Chloe's business acumen and product product development insights form the perfect combination to tackle this issue. So the decision to collaborate came naturally. We shared a vision where DeFi could be democratized, making its benefits accessible to a broader audience without sacrificing security or functionality. And this vision led to the creation of AutoAPE.AI, a platform designed to simplify the DeFi experience through intelligent and user-friendly interfaces powered by AI techniques, which is getting hotter and hotter these days. Like we say, we have Llama, we have OpenAI, we have lots of open sources AI models. So our collaboration is rooted in the deep understanding of each other's strengths and a shared commitment to leveraging technologies for genuine user benefit. With AutoAPE.AI, we are not just creating a product, we are addressing a real need in the market for more inclusive financial ecosystem. And we are united in our goal to break down the barriers to DeFi and provide a platform that empowers users to take control of their financial futures.
And so how do you feel that AutoAPE.AI differentiates itself from the other trading aggregators in the market? And what unique features do you have that set you guys apart from the rest of the people out there who are building this, like a similar product?
Yeah, that's that's a very good question. And unlike typical trading aggregators, AutoAPE.AI provides AI-driven insights, risk assessments, and strategy optimization tailored to individual user profiles. Our platform leverages advanced algorithms like from large language models for announced market analysis and NLP for intuitive user interactions, ensuring a seamless and informed trading experiences. And additionally, our focus on security and community-driven features fosters a safe and collaborative environment for users at all levels, not just the new users that's new to the DeFi ecosystem. This holistic approach not only simplifies DeFi investments, but also empowers users to make more informed decisions, bridging the gap between the traditional and the decentralized finance. Like a lot of users comes from the traditional finance area, but our platform is aiming to make the decentralized finance more easy. We're trying to make it more easier for those kind of new users.
Yeah, that sounds great. So it sounds like your target audience is more onboarding new users into Web3. Is that the case, or would you say that there's still users that are already familiar with it that you're also targeting?
Yeah, we're targeting all levels of users. For example, like even your advanced DeFi users, the operations that you have to do to complete to complete your intent. Let's say you want to get cross-bridge assets. That's quite a long chain of operations. You have to sign a couple of times. You have to go to different websites. That's for advanced users. It's still very tough, and it's very boring sometimes, and you could be misclick. Sometimes one misclick could lost a lot of assets. So we're not just targeting the new users, we're also trying to simplify and create a more friendly interface and experiences for advanced Web3 and DeFi users.
Very cool. Yeah, I like that a lot. I guess like I kind of want to dive a little bit more into the technological side of the product. So I guess like in terms of AI technology, what specific models or like algorithms does AutoAPE.AI use to analyze and execute these trades within the Web3 ecosystem?
So there are a lot of models we're using. So right now the market is hot for the large language models. Yes, we are trying to adopt it. So for chatbot, which is a very core function in our applications. We are powered by a lot of open source language models, and we're exploring we're testing their performance. Like we're using Llama 3, we're using Llama 2 from Facebook, and we are also testing the Cloud 3 model, which is newly issued in the market. And also we're testing Gemini and Bird, which is also well known in the large language model area. So that's for the chatbot. And as for the financial part, we are talking about like deep Q networks for performance predictions and LSTM models. Those kind of models are traditional AI models. That's very different that's before large language models. So that's for some traditional finance uses. So, and we're also using the intelligent recommendation models for social networks we're building with inside the applications. Yes, but we are also trying to find more possibilities to utilizing other models in our applications that could simplify the user experiences. That's our solely goal that's to make the DeFi market accessible to all levels of users.
Very cool. So I guess like you mentioned that you're integrating kind of like some social component into your trading analysis. Could you expand a bit on that? Are you taking data from like social media or like analyzing trends in the market based on social, kind of talk, I guess?
Yeah, like I'll give you a very simple example. Let's say in Web3 area, sometimes Elon Musk could tweet about some kind of token, and let's say the sheep or the Dogecoin, and as soon as he tweets about it, and we're gonna notify all the users. Sometimes user could set a notification that I want to monitor the Elon Musk's Twitter if he mentioned about some certain token. If he mentions about it, buy it. That's very simple. That's a very simple set. That's a very simple set in our applications. And whenever Elon Musk tweets about some token again, and we're gonna buy in the amount that user have set previously. That's a very simple example to your question.
Yeah. Thank you for the example. Yeah, obviously like social aspect within this market is very important. So I think that's really cool. That's a cool implementation.
Yeah, one more I have to say, like sometimes if you want to make a transaction to someone's wallet, it's very awkward because I don't want to expose my wallet address because since everything is transparent in the blockchain, and we're also using the ZK systems to block this kind of transparency to shield your wallet address from this transaction. So if you send to your friend cannot trace back to your wallet address and know how much or how many tokens that you have. And that's kind of a very interesting feature of our product, but that's as much I can disclose right now. Yeah.
Cool. I'm also curious, you mentioned that you're training on quite a few LLMs. I know you said Claude 3 and Llama 2. I was wondering if you're going to use a combination of the ones that you're testing on, or you're just going to end up probably using one in the future.
Well, to fulfill our goal, to bound with a single model is not enough. So for let's say we're gonna make AutoAPE global, and let's say Llama is good for English to English users, but it's not feasible for let's say Chinese users or some French users or Germany users. So we're not gonna bound with a single model. It's got to be diversified. Sometimes one model could have some security problems, or their performance on decrease dilutions is bad. So this process is also dynamic in our applications. So it's changing day by day, like the LLM market is changing day by day. So we're not going to say we're going to bound with one single model. So it's not secure enough. It's not diversified enough.
Got it. Yeah. So obviously like your product is dealing with a lot of like kind of, I guess, somewhat sensitive data, investment information, personal information. Could you elaborate a bit on like the security measures that AutoAPE.AI is taking to protect this data?
Yeah, sure. From technical side, encryption is for sure. So we employ end-to-end encryption for all user data, like ensuring the personal and transaction information is secure from unauthorized access. So this includes the use of traditional internet protocols like SSL or TLS for data in transit, and AES 256 encryption for data at rest. And for our smart contract securities, it's a mature protocol. It's a mature way to form the smart contract securities. So our smart contracts undergo rigorous testing, including both manual audits and automated scanning to identify and rectify potential vulnerabilities. We partner with reputable security firms to ensure our contracts are resistant to common exploits. And for user side, we're gonna implement multi-factor authentications for sure, and biometric verification to ensure that only authorized users can access their accounts. Role-basis access control is also used to limit access based on our user's role. And we are also trying to implement anomaly detection systems, since we are integrating the AI models. So our platform integrates AI-driven anomaly detection system that monitors unusual activities, such as irregular trading patterns or logging attempts, and alerts users and administrators to potential threats.
Yeah. So have you encountered any challenges with security yet, or have you encountered any challenges in general about developing an AI for the Web3 space, which is known for its volatility and regulatory uncertainties?
Oh, in developing AI for the Web3 space, there are for sure a lot of challenges, because if there is none, there is no value in it. So first one we met is the market volatility. So, the high volatility in cryptocurrency markets makes predictive modeling exceptionally complex, ensuring our AI algorithm adapt to sudden market shifts that happens last week in the cryptocurrency market. Sacrificing accuracy is without sacrificing accuracy is a constant battle. And there's also regulatory uncertainties. The evolving regulatory landscape of cryptocurrencies adds layers of complexity. We must ensure our AI tools comply with diverse and changing legal standards globally, which requires continuous monitoring and adaptations. And also, as I mentioned in the last question, the data privacy and security. So in Web3, user privacy and data security are paramount. Crafting AI solutions that respect privacy while leveraging enough data to be effective requires innovative approaches and robust security measures. And also the integration with the decentralized technologies, because there are a lot of protocols, there are a lot of tokens, and there are a lot of chains on daily basis. There are various day by day. And so ensuring seamless interaction between AI algorithms and decentralized platform presents technical and compatibility challenges. So achieving this integration while maintaining performance and user experience standards are very crucial. And for another feature, we have to educate the users, for the new users, as Web3 and AI are both complex fields. So it's educating our users on how to best utilize our platform without overwhelming them is also a very significant challenges, because the reason why users are using our application is to avoid that overwhelming knowledge flows. So basically, that's a lot of challenges. So to solve all of them, we are gonna devote a lot of engineering projects. So and we're gonna need a lot of resources. So I was hoping that BBX could help us to make AutoAPE.AI a real product, so we can make the DeFi ecosystem more democratizing. So yeah, that's basically the challenges we're facing right now.
You mentioned that you have to adjust your technology also based on the regulations that are in place for various countries, since you are a global company. So I wonder, how do you make one product, but also make sure that it complies with all the regulations in the different countries?
So there are two sides. So there are the product team, and so there's one solution from the product team, and there's one solution from the technical tech team. So the product team is to analyze the global law or regulations, sometimes, for the Google Store and the Apple Store, we could decide how to drop our applications. Like for some nations, if it's against the regulations, we might considering not publish in those countries or regions. And for the tech for the tech teams, still it's gonna be AI solutions, because for the regulations, the AI gonna absorb all kinds of protocols and all kinds of laws and regulations, and decides what kind of informations and what kind of strategies we're gonna provide to the users. And if it's against the protocols, if it's against the regulations, we're gonna suspend those kind of strategies or functionalities to the users. That's basically that's the basic solution to that kind of problem.
Cool. Yeah, I guess kind of transitioning to the state of the product and user experience. I guess could you elaborate a bit on what phase your product is in? Do you have users right now? Could you share any insights into what the user experience is and how has the traction been for your product?
Yeah. The current stage of AutoAPE.AI is now we're trying to build we have a very small and robust engineering team. So we are now building the prototype that's targeting we're targeting the big demo day for BBX. So we are not now having active real users right now. And as for the financial side, financial aspect, we're now at fundraising stage, and we are now currently hiring more talented engineers. Now we are only have one engineer in server and one engineer in front end and one engineer in the design, UI UX design. So that's a very robust team, and we are working day and night, as you know, to make sure the prototype it works well and in the big demo day. For the technical side, we're building the prototype, and for the financial side, we're at the fundraising stage.
And I have a little bit add on to this product since yes, currently we're building our alpha version applications, and then we're going to official launch on April 11th. That's exactly on the big demo days, which are hosted by the Berkeley Blockchain Xcelerator. That's a fantastic opportunity to officially launch our products. And then also for the use case, we have a different version of the user can how to leverage our product to their daily trading. Because previously we have the question about what kind of user you are, and then see if the crypto newcomers, there's our ideal customers, individually they have the new world to cryptocurrencies and Web3. And then our products have the easily one click to swap and one click on ramp, and then they can just put the money in, and we will have to create a wallet for them. And then our agent will provide the investing strategy to them based on how the agent to approach the users the investing habits, and then we will have provide matchable the strategy to them. And also for those Web3 traders already, this group include individuals who are aware of the potential of the Web3, but looking for a more accessible way to again do their decentralized applications, and also interesting more exploring more the space, and then they require more simplified entry points. I help them to understand and interact with the Web3 technology without the technical handles. So that will be our main target with the Web3 investor. We will provide more financial the professional strategy to them. If you want to do a race taking strategy on Eigenlayer, that's really hot topic in Denver. That happen around on Eigenlayer and Babylon. Those race taking protocol, and we will do professional strategy race taking strategies on them, and then to provide those strategy to the Web3 the traders, and then we'll make more the APY's the numbers on the portfolios, and then to help them to do the really professional. The agent will be helping them for really professional tradings on their daily portfolios. Yeah, so that's kind of we're doing different. We have the different angle and different cutoff to different users, and then also like we're building on the application side. So you can like chat, like you chat into the human being robo-advisory to our agent, and the agent will be helping for adding questions about Web3, adding questions about tradings, and then we'll have the execution layer behind the agent layer. Our agent will through all the crust and text to the execution layer to helping the user to do all the tradings. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds great. It sounds like you have quite a few differentiators from the competitors also in the industry right now. Also curious, are there any partnerships or collaborations with other projects or entities? I know you mentioned EigenLayer that you plan on pursuing or are pursuing currently.
We have the several partnership, and also we're the aggregators. Like we want to like to collaborate as much as possible we can. That's to fulfill on the user intent. This kind of user intent can be broad, can be everything about Web3. Then if we collaborate more on the partnership, and it will be more a chance to fulfill any intent coming through our platform. So that's what we're doing so. And also we have the partnership with our cohort like Giza Tech, and also for the Paddle Labs. And then we're using the Giza Tech as our like on-chain modeling. They're helping us with how the model on chains. That will be more helping for to do the privacy protect for our user site. And then we will get approval for the Giza and then to using such as that data we're collecting from, and then they will know how we collect data from and how we use the data and giving us approval. That will be really helpful to protecting user site. And also we collab with the Paddle Lab. They're helping with the DK fetch about all the DK privacy, and also that will be also protect the user data as our fund. We really want to protect before everything's user putting us, and then using the user data in private way, and then that will be how to work with all the blockchain techniques. And also we have another side with collaborating with the DeFi protocols like Izumi, Hobbies, any DEX platform, and then that will be providing we were sharing the liquidity and strategy on them, and also the all the exchanges platform will be helping for providing those trading the handles, and also for to find the best routing, the fixed routing for the users for what's kind of they want to trade, and what's kind of the intent they got in through.
Cool, yeah. Kind of like zooming out and looking forward, what role do you see AutoAPE.AI playing in the broader narrative of the Web3 adoption and the transition towards more decentralized financial systems?
Yes, I will just have that on and then later on. So on the AutoAPE kind of for now, we're leveraging all the AI techniques into the Web3, and then I heard a lot of feedbacks about like AI plus crypto and how will be that works in the Web3 world, and then how will be that really helping for the users and then helping for Web3 to improve in a certain way. And then I want to say like AutoAPE.AI kind of right now had like in the front end of this path, and then to see how the AI will really leverage all the Web3 techniques and was to the user side, and then we find a way to really helping the users more will be living on how to Web3 the blockchains techniques does happens in different approach. So that's kind of what the AutoAPE.AI really have the role of the Web3 role. And also we find out we're helping the AI developer to track the way to open this path to different developer, to building on different the AI open sources and into the Web3. And that's kind of the helping moving the AI into the Web3, find that there's attractions and there's the movement into the world. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds great. So thank you both for taking the time to teach us a lot about AutoAPE.AI today. We were wondering if there's anything else that you would like our listeners to know about the company or the product that you're creating.
Yeah, I'll go first for this question. And from my side, we're gonna for tech team now we're hiring. Yeah, we're looking forward to meet a lot of talented contract engineers and applied AI engineers. So if you're interested after listening to this podcast, and just visit our website and contact us. And we were looking forward to meet with a lot of talented people. So to get AutoAPE down, to fulfill that envision that me and Chloe, we shared.
Yeah, so one thing I want to end with the last is we do see there's a big opportunity happening around Web3 that can AI more to helping more with the leveraging all the tax or leveraging all the matters into the Web3 world. As you can see, industry trend, Web3 as the gateway to Web3, that's a cryptocurrency market, partially then Bitcoin has been gaining mainstream attention with the introduction of the Bitcoin ETFs and other institutional investing. That's trying to indicate a growing numbers of users entering the Web3 space through the cryptocurrency, which are inherently linked to the trading activities. So as this market experienced a bull run, and then the demand for user-friendly trading platform is surging. So and also for the technical advancement, the AI and the big models happening around a lot, and the recently developing in AI, especially in large language models, and then their applications has opened up new possibility for startups. And then for both of those sides, I really want to see in this market, we'll have more and more the AI starters and then more the AI developer to coming through this world to helping those the Web3 world in more facilitable and then more accessible to more users, to helping more users happening in the round. So we want to see more the things happening in AI and cryptos.
Yeah, it sounds like we have quite a lot to anticipate from AutoAPE.AI in the following months. I know you said you're launching in April. Well, that wraps up our conversation for today. It's been an absolute pleasure delving into the world of AutoAPE.AI with you, hearing firsthand about your innovative approach to making DeFi more accessible. Thank you both.
Yeah, it was a great start to Experts and Experiences.
Yeah, thank you, Brand. Thank you, Tiffany. It's very nice to be here and share our visions about the AutoAPE.AI.
Well, that was a great start to Experts and Experiences.
Absolutely, Brent. It's conversations like these that remind us of the incredible potential within the Web3 industry.
Agreed. And looking ahead, we've got an exciting episode lined up.
You won't want to miss it. Remember to follow to stay updated on our latest episodes and to continue exploring the forefront of innovation with us.
Until the next episode.
Bye.